Hey guys, and up here. This is our Kuma wood stove. It is huge. It's definitely overpowered for our house. And I was cleaning it out today so we could start a fire for the wife tonight. And I realized that this glass is getting a little dingy. And I've never done a video on the best way to clean the glass on a wood stove. So I figured I'd hit record and bring you guys along with me. You don't really need to buy anything. You got a couple paper towels here, some water, and some ash from the stove. Since I just cleaned this out, it's all down here in this bin, so we're just going to dunk it into there. Take your paper towels, dunk it into your water, then dunk it into your ash, and that's what you got. Now just start scrubbing on here. Look how easy this comes off. Do another little dunk. As I already got a lot on it, so we're going to put that one aside, grab a new one, dunk it in our water, dunk it in our ash. That is not too bad. Still got a little bit down here to do and a little bit over here to do, but I'm not going to make you guys suffer through my OCD. But some paper towels, water, and wood ash, and your glass can look like it was when it was new. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.